chica, onda, homies? We making some breakfast in here today. Just kidding, though. Check it out, though. I'm gonna be making some sausage, some motherfucking eggs, some coffee beans. I'm gonna show you how we do it right here. Alright, homes. So I probably should have already gotten this started before I popped the camera out. Well, I had already started. My bad. I had already started before I had the camera out. I got my tripod over here in the fucking sink like a dumbass. But this is what we happening. We're cooking some sausage and some eggs just like the title tells you. Now this video isn't going to be very long at all. Because like I said, I already started cooking this shit. So what I got going on up in here is some motherfucking sausage links, maple, some of that good quality maple sausage links. I don't even know what brand, don't even fucking matter. Anyway, what we got to do here is we got to put the heat on relatively medium to low. If you put the shit on high like I had it, it's just gonna burn. And so what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna want to add this, some little bit of flavor going on up in here. Get some butters and go boom. I didn't already put butter in there, but I'm just doing it for the sake of the video. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fully cook this shit right here, alright? Then we're gonna break out the motherfucking egg. Hey, I wanna ask you guys a question. What came first? The chicken or the egg? Orderly homes, we back. Coffee bean is getting about there, but we ain't quite there yet. So sausages are basically done. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take them bitches out like so, just like that. Hold up, wait a minute. I'm gonna put some pimpin' in it. Now I'm almost certain these are done. Let me just cut one open. Take a look at that. Yeah, that's pretty much done. Ain't no pink in the middle, so we're good to go. You know what? Ow, motherfucker. Shit, that was hot. Burned. My shit. Not really, though. Okay, coffee bean about done. So I'm doing regular old scrambled eggs. That's what's happening. Right here we got a regular old chicken farm egg from auctions. These store-bought eggs. But I'm gonna show you a little something, little trick, little something that somebody showed me. They say only one person in the world can do this, but I'm almost guarantee you I can do this shit. Okay, you ready? Now I ain't gonna use the regular shits. We use the store-bought ones because this is what's happening. So you see me here? Hold up. Let me just get. Alright, you got it? You got it right here? That's what's happening. They say only a few people in the world can do this. Let me move this out of the way just in case. You never know. Alright, here we go. Nope, didn't work. Alright, I fucked that up badly. One more motherfucker down. Alright, one more time. If it don't work, I ain't gonna do it again. I just got egg all over the fucking ceiling. Boom. It worked. Look at that. No shell in it. It's about burnt. I need to put more egg in there. Man, are y'all fucking seeing this shit right now? So, okay, that's pretty much fucked. I had the shit all the way turned on like 3, and this motherfucker was blasting like it was on high. I hate these fucking plug-in bullshit. Look, my coffee bean. Oh, coffee bean done. Let me turn that shit off so it don't burn. I fucking hate these plug-in burners. My stove was right over here. I could be using that. I ain't even got a plug-in for it because it's a long story. I ain't even going to get into that right now. I'm going to get pissed off more than I already am. So, I'm going to clean this shit up and I'm going to make some more eggs because this is a fucking disaster. Orderly homes, we back cooking the egg. Okay, so last time it was kind of a disaster. You know, sometimes I get a little excited when I come down to be making me some breakfast. So I done already got me some butter floating around in the pan, as you can see. I'm just gonna make some regular old scrambled like I did before. Clean the pan. Shit ain't burnt no more. Shit's on a lower heat. Yeah, I'm probably gonna throw this fucking thing in the trash when we get done with this shit. So I'm gonna do this shit. Crack a motherfucking egg open, one hand, no shell in the mug. You got it. Probably gonna do about 3 of them. Fuck it. We're gonna get about 3 of them going on up in here. It ain't shit. Y'all know how to make scrambled eggs. Just trying to make some content for my channel. It is what it is. It's what's happening. Like I said, shit ain't gonna be very good. But look at them sausages. Ooh, them motherfuckers look good. All right, so I'll be back when this shit gets to cooking. Woo! Look at them egg cooking. I'm gonna add a little salt, add a little pepper. You know we gotta have a little pepper on there. Oh shit! I'm about to fuck the whole thing up. See, look, this motherfucker on. It's on 2. It's on 2. Look at that shit. Look how fucking hot this motherfucker's getting. It's like it's on. Oh, I hate this fucking thing. This thing sucks, man. Okay, whatever. Stirring up the eggs, getting them all broken up, getting them down and dirty, you know what I'm saying? Now, there's a lot of different ways to make scrambled eggs, okay? Sure, motherfuckers be adding milk in here. Sure, motherfuckers be adding all kinds of other extra shit. But to be quite honest with you, all you really need is a pan, some heat, and some eggs. That's it. Maybe a little salt and pepper, add a little extra flavor to it, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, you really don't need anything else. Fuck, you just need a little bit of butter in the bottom of the pan so shit don't stick. But other than that, you good. That's all you need. Of course, me, I don't really fuck with no eggs unless I put some cheese in them. So you know we got a couple slices of cheese over here we gonna be throwing up in this bit when them motherfuckers is fully cooked. And we just about there, so I'm gonna have to put the camera down so I can put this cheese in. So I'll be right back. Okay, that took the entirety of 5 seconds. So I turn this fucking heat down, because this shit's gonna burn if I keep that fucking heat on. That shit is like stuck on high or something. And I probably could have just put 1 slice of cheese in here, but we eating breakfast, y'all. Fuck your bullshit. We eating 2 slices up in here. Okay? That's what's happening. I'm loving this shit. There's a lot of... Let me just say here while this cheese is melting here, there's a lot of fucking shit that I have planned to do for my YouTube channels and whatnot, and I'm trying to build up enough to where I can do, well, not really build up enough, I can just go live anytime I want. But I've mentioned this in the past. I'm talking to AT&T here within next month, the next few days, because damn near December, and I'm going to demand the motherfuckers to hook me up with some fiber optic. They said they had it all hooked up over in this area last month in the ending of October when I went to go pay the fucking bill last time. And they said, yeah, give it about a month. You should be able to have it. And, well, I've been waiting about a month, and none of them trucks have been out here. We have plenty of warm days. I mean, look outside. It's a warm motherfucking bright-ass day out there today. Why ain't them motherfuckers hooking up my shit? I don't know. But the cheese is melted. So we back here at the egg. Oh, this is gonna be good, man. You gotta get the right kind of cheese, too. You can't be getting that fucking cheap bullshit that don't cost about 99 cents. You gotta spend a little extra on your cheese, man. Especially nowadays in 2021. Motherfuckers be trying to put all kinds of nasty shit. Bird feathers, plastic, and all kinds of bullshit. Alright, folks. Here it is. This is my eggs and sausage breakfast video that I made today. This is it. This is what's happening. I done got my coffee bean right here. As you can tell, I put the coffee creamer in it. And the motherfucking, whatever this shit is on the top here. Whipped cream in it. So, this is it. I appreciate you watching. Let me move my camera up a little bit so you guys can see me a little better. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, you know what I'm saying. Hit subscribe because I'm going to be doing videos like this all the time. I don't do very much on YouTube's, but it is what it is. I appreciate you watching. See ya in the next one I do. I don't know what it's going to be. It's going to be something, though.